The Lotus Sutra, Chapter 24, Bodhisattva Gadgadashvara. I entreat you to tell us the name of this samadhi. We wish to practice it with diligence. By practicing this samadhi, we wish to see the shape, appearance, size, and manner of this bodhisattva. I entreat you, O Bhagavat, to use your transcendent powers and let us see the appearance of that bodhisattva. Then the Buddha Shakyamuni spoke to Manjushri, saying, The Tathagata Prabhuratna, who long ago entered parinirvana, will manifest the signs for you. At that time the Buddha Prabhutaratna addressed that bodhisattva, saying, Come, O son of a virtuous family, Manjushri, the prince of the Dharma, wishes to see you. Thereupon Bodhisattva Gadgadashvara disappeared from this world and arrived together with 84,000 bodhisattvas. In the worlds through which he passed, the land quaked in 6 ways, 7 jeweled lotus flowers reigned everywhere, and hundreds of thousands of heavenly musical instruments sounded spontaneously, without being played. The eyes of this bodhisattva were as large as blue lotus leaves. Even if hundreds of thousands of myriads of moons were gathered together, they would not exceed the beauty of his countenance. His body was pure gold in color, adorned with immeasurable hundreds of thousands of merits, radiant with virtuous dignity, and brilliantly illuminated like the adamantine body of the god Narayana. Having entered the 7-jeweled platform and ascended into the air, he flew above the earth at a height of 7 tala trees. Surrounded by respectful bodhisattvas, he arrived at Mount Gridakuta in this Saha world, and descended from the 7-jeweled terrace. He came before the Buddha Shakyamuni with a necklace worth hundreds of thousands in his hand, and bowed until his forehead reached the Buddha's feet. He presented the necklace to the Buddha, saying, O Bhagavat, the Buddha Kamala Dala Vimala Nakshatra Rajasamku Sumita Bijna inquires of the Bhagavat. Are you without illness or pain? Is your daily life pleasant? Are you at ease in practice? Is the world around you harmonious? Are your worldly affairs bearable? Is it easy to save sentient beings? Are they not filled with greed, anger, foolishness, avarice, and pride?